I was sent this set of mirrors for my UTV and asking my opinion on them, make this short video. So let's check them out. Here's what you're going to get in the box. Got some really good weight to these things. They're like a aluminum, like a brushed aluminum feel to them, like a powder coat. And the flag there is painted right on the back. It's very cool, but a very, very strong, rugged feel to them. So if you're gonna, they're not plastic at all. It's all bolted together. It's all some kind of metal. And if you're gonna bang into bushes or brush with this, it's probably gonna survive. Okay, and then they give you some instructions here. Shows you how to arrange the hardware to make this a like a bit of a spring-loaded adjustment for the mounting bracket. And then they're going to give you some further clarification on, after tightening it up, then you're going to want to put this lug into the bottom here. So we'll get to figure this out when we get it installed. Looking at the brackets that go onto your side posts for your UTV, they are also made out of that same very rugged material. And you can see how using this Allen bolt here, you're going to be able to extract or retract here and to clamp right onto that. And then here's where you're going to be able to adjust those mirrors and then actually have them fold in when you're in a tight spot. You need to avoid some branches or something. So let's get these put together and then put them on my UTV, see how they work. So there you go. We got it all mounted up, and installation is not that bad. You're going to need the use of both of these Allen wrenches, because when you determine, based on the angle of your frame here where you're mounting to, you're going to have to make some adjustments in here. And then when you figure out what angle this needs to be pivoted at relative to this base, you're going to want to tighten that down with the larger Allen wrench inside here. Get that all cranked down and locked in place, then come back out and then attach this other piece to that frame in that location that you first identified. Then you're going to want to tighten down this portion here, because this allows you, that with that spring-loaded piece, to move it in, and it's in there stiff. I tightened it up pretty good, and then move it back out to where you need to be able to see. But if you've got to move it in, you can, and then when it's out, it's not going to move on its own. That spring-loaded bolt down there holding it in place really nice. So yeah, these things, they look great. They match the look with all this powder coated metal here. Matches this very well. I like the flag on there, and I definitely can get some good visibility out the back of your UTV. So hey, I hope that video was helpful. Learn a little bit more about these mirror set for a UTV and how to install them. Hope you have a great day.